So dear friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you create a PDF file from your smartphone itself. So follow the step-by-step process that I'm showing here in this video. But just before diving into the process, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more this kind of helpful videos. Okay, so let's go. To create a PDF file on your smartphone, first you gotta download an application from Play Store. So first of all, open the Play Store, and now search an application here. Just type Word and search for this app. Now this is the Word, Microsoft Word, okay? So first download this application. I've already installed this application on my phone, so now I'm gonna open it. So this is the app, but just before opening the app, I wanna copy some text. So first I would go to ChatGPT. Now I'm giving a small prompt, create a random story. So this is a story. So now I'm gonna copy the story, and now I'm gonna create a video file. So to create a video file, first open the Word app, this one. So to create a PDF file, look at the top right corner, click on this plus icon, and now select the first one, this one, blank document, and now paste the text. So to create a PDF file with this text, look at the top right corner, you'll see a three-dot icon here, so click on it. But if you click on save and save as, you can create a PDF file, okay? For example, if I click on save, so there's no any option to create a PDF file. If I click on save as, there's no any option to create any PDF file. So go back, again click on this three-dot icon, okay, select this option, print. Then wait for a few seconds. Now look at the top right corner, here's a PDF icon. Okay, just click here, PDF. And now you gotta select a folder, where you wanna save your PDF file. If I click on save, so I've saved the file. So to see your already created PDF file, just go back, and now open your My Files app or File Manager. And now click on Documents. So this is the PDF file that we have already created, okay? If you want to open it, just click here. So this is the text. So this is how you can create a PDF file on your smartphone. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And for more this kind of helpful and informative videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.